Okay, so it's time to discuss the circle of fourths. Many of you have asked me, how do you know that an A chord has a C sharp in it? Well, because it's the third in the key of A has three sharps. How do you know? Well, here's where I'm going to answer that, okay? We use something called the circle of fourths to determine how many sharps or how many flats make up each key. So I'm going to draw that for you and hopefully you'll follow along. So, our first key is the key of C. It has no sharps and no flats. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, all the way through. If you play all the white keys on the piano, that's the key of C. Key of G has one sharp in it, one sharp. And that one sharp is going to be F. F is always the first sharp. Watch this. The reason I remember F is the first sharp is because the word first starts with the letter F. I'm going to put F over here in the circle of fourths. We'll get to that in a second. Key of G has one sharp. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. That's the key of G with its one sharp, which is always F. Okay? The next key is D. Key of D has two sharps. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. F sharp is my first sharp, and the next sharp is C. How do I know that? Well, I'm going this way, F to C. So that's going to be my next sharp. Key of A is next. It has three sharps. There she is. F sharp is first, followed by C, followed by G. So in my opening example I said an A chord has a C sharp in it, right? 1, 3, 5. There's my chord. Key of E has four sharps. You're starting to get the picture of this, I'm sure. F sharp is first, followed by C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. There's the key of E. The key of B has five sharps. Use the same process. And the next key is F sharp. The key of F sharp has six sharps. The very last key in the sharps is the key of C sharp. It has 7. And since there are only 7 notes in a scale, everything is sharped in the key of C. If the key of C has none, the key of C sharp has everything. There you go. Another way to remember this is by doing this. The key of C has 0 sharps. It almost looks like a 0. If I kept going, it's a 0. The key of G, I can draw the key of G with one stroke of my pen. G, 1 sharp. Key of D, I can draw with 2 strokes of my pen. 1, 2. A, I can draw with 3 strokes of my pen. 1, 2, 3. The key of E, 4 strokes of my pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Key of B is a little bit of a stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it works. Key of F sharp has 6 sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope that helps. That's all the sharp keys. Part 2 of this video is going to be all the flat keys where we'll complete this side of the circle of fourths.